Alright, so the idea of this video is we're going to go over how to use Kepler's third law, the t squared over r cubed. So what I do is I give you three planets. I give you Mercury, I give you Earth, and I give you Pluto. We won't worry about if it's a planet or not. And we need to use Kepler's third law for all three of them to figure out what their k's are. Alright, and the idea is to show that they're all equal. So if I do the first one for Mercury, and I take the period T, that's my T, that's my R, okay? So I take Mercury and I say, all right, 0.24 squared divided by 57.9, yeah, I got messy. 57.9 cubed, I'm going to get a constant. Okay, so let me do all of them. So then for Earth, I have my period, and so this must be years, right? Because you got 1. Earth is 1 squared divided by 149.6 cubed. All right, and then Pluto is going to be 247. Well, let me try that again. 247.7 squared divided by 5,900 cubed. Okay. And let me do the math on those. But the idea is this. You're going to get all of them to be equal to this, pretty much the same value. So I have 0.24 squared divided by divided by 57.9 math 3 on your calculator. And I get 2.967 times 10 to the negative 7th. Okay, next one, I do 1 squared divided by 149.6 math 3 with a TI, and that would cube it. Okay, and I get 2.987 times 10 to the negative 7 as well. All right, do the last one, 247 squared divided by 5,900, or 5,900 math 3, and again I get 2.971 times 10 to the negative 7. All right, so yes, these numbers are not exactly the same. Okay, but that's because all of these numbers here are rounded. All right, but the idea is that Kepler's law is correct. All these are the same number. They're rounded differently from before, which is why they're just slightly different showing up as numbers, but they are actually all the same numbers. So that's what I would put in here, here, and here. Okay, so then what I do is I have you take the average of it and get that average right there. Okay, and you'll use those to solve for the other answers, and I'll show that in my next video.